So PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT, and we know PM is equal to dRT. PM is equal to dRT. So D is equal to PM by RT. So D is directly proportional to P and D is inversely proportional to T. M is constant because gas is same. So for higher density, pressure should be maximum and temperature should be minimum. For higher density, pressure should be maximum and temperature should be minimum. So which is the maximum pressure? There are two maximum pressure. One is B and one is D. Then what we need to find out, which is having the lower temperature, which is having the lower temperature. Out of B and D, B is having the lower temperature and this is the right answer. So we don't need to go for the calculation that you are trying to find out the density and at each and every section. We just go for the formula, find out what is required here, and this is the shortcut method. We can start from here itself. PM is equal to dRT. We know D is directly proportional to P, D is directly proportional to M, D is directly proportional to 1 by T. But here gas is same, so mass is not going to be changed. Since mass is not going to be changed, so pressure should be maximum and temperature should be the minimum, and only B is the criteria which is going to fulfill all this requirement. Four gram of argon has pressure P and temperature T, has pressure P and temperature T, Kelvin, in a vessel. On keeping the vessel at 50 degree higher temperature, on keeping the vessel at 50 degree higher temperature, 0.8 gram of argon was 0.8 gram of argon was given out to maintain pressure P. Find the original temperature. A is 73 Kelvin, B is 100 Kelvin, C 200 Kelvin, D 513 Kelvin. (510 Kelvin). So it's a container, and initially 4 gram argon was taken. Pressure is P, volume is V. In second case, same pressure and same volume, but temperature is T1 plus 50 degree. And in that case 0.8 gram of argon was given out. In this case 0.8 gram of argon was given out. So what remains? 3.2. What remains is the 3.2. Initially what was the mass taken here? Mass taken was 4 gram, and now out of 4 gram what mass has been expelled out? 0.8 gram. So what is the answer here? 3.2 gram. Now make the two equation, one before 50 degree, another after 50 degree. So case 1, A and B. For A, what is the equation? PV is equal to nRT. For B, again it is PV plus PV is equal to nRT. In this case, we are going to change the temperature. We are going to change the temperature by 50 degrees Celsius. First cancel the part which is constant. P and V is constant. It means N1 R T1 is equal to N2 R T2. R and R is constant. So finally it's a N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2, and we need to find out T1. We need to find out T1. So put the value, you will get the answer. एक बार देख लो कि क्या कर रहा था. दो वेसल्स थे. पहले वेसल्स के अंदर प्रेशर है P और दूसरे के अंदर भी प्रेशर है P, इसलिए हमने P और P कैंसिल करा. दोनों की वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट है, इसलिए V भी कैंसिल करा. पहले केस में लोअर टेम्परेचर है, जब हमने 50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ा रखा, तो ये N1 R T1 है. दूसरे केस में N2 R T2. R भी कांस्टेंट है, R भी बाहर निकाल दिया. क्या बच जाते? N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2. And what we need to find out? We need to find out T2 is equal to, the answer is, we need to find out T1. Answer is N2 T2 by N1. And what is N2? What is N2? N2 is what amount of argon was left. It's a 3 point by molecular weight of the argon. And in case of N1, it's a 4 by molecular weight of argon. We don't need to put the value of molecular weight of the argon, because M and M is going to be cancelled. M and M is going to be cancelled. So finally equation will be, this one is 3.2 divided by 4 into T1 plus 50 degree. T1 plus 50 degree, and this side it's a. So find out the value of T1.